Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we are going to cover both the Agile methodology, what is Agile and how Agile works and why most of the companies use Agile methodology. So let's dive into the video. So coming to the introduction of Agile methodology is a modern approach to project management that emphasizes flexibility and values and continuous delivery throughout the development process. It was created to help teams respond more efficiently to changing requirements and to deliver useful results more quickly. And agile methodology used when client requirements changes continuously. And agile methodology is an iterative process which we can also come back to the previous steps to find the errors and design the product as per the customer's requirements. So, what makes Agile different? Instead of following a strict starting to end process, Agile methodology encourages teams to break projects into smaller pieces called as sprints. Each sprint would be 1 to 2 weeks of time, where based on ongoing feedback from the customers and the stakeholders. This makes it easier to make adjustments and improve quality and ensure that final product meets the real user needs. Difference between the traditional methodologies and agile methodologies is that traditional methodologies follows a linear and a strict path, and it is rigid, and it is very less adaptability. And agile methodology cycles have iterative processes. It is flexible and easy to respond to the changes. The core ideas behind the agile methodology is agile is built on belief that individuals and interactions matter more than rigid processes, and that working software is more valuable than heavy documentation. It also encourages a regular collaboration with customers and prioritizes the ability to change the direction whenever the necessary and even late in the project. And individuals and interactions were valued over processes and the tools, and working software is more preferred than the documentation. And also the customer collaboration is the key throughout the development life cycle, and also it is used to respond to the changes, and it is a more important part that following a plan. And how agile works in an process. First, there will be a planning process which defines the task for the sprints, and developing the product and building the features and the solutions, and next testing the product to ensure the quality and the functionality, and next review, getting the feedback from the customer, and again adapting to the feedback and changes from the customers. This is how the agile works, and most agile team operates in short repeating cycles, often called sprints, where they plan a small set of tasks, develop them, and test them, and review the results. So, why teams chooses agile? Agile is an organization's uses agile because it helps them deliver faster results and maintain higher quality and stay aligned with customers' expectations. The main thing that most of the companies uses the agile methodology is that it is iterative process, and it is the methodology creates more transparent and collaborative environment where communication is frequent, and the teams continuously reflect on how to improve their work. So there will be a faster delivery, higher quality, customer alignment, transparency, which is open to communication and visible progress for all. The building process, testing process, every process will be visible to the customers, and the collaboration. It encourages the collaboration between the client and the developers so that they can get a feedback from the customers, and again adapt to the changes. and continuous improvement. Teams continuously seek ways to optimize this process. So, this is all about the agile. I hope you have understood about what is agile and how agile works and why companies use most of the companies use agile methodologies. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.